Guys, here I am with another unboxing and review video of staple gun. This is from Tolsen. It's a heavy duty 3-way staple gun that I ordered from Daraz.pk. It says that it is heavy duty 3-way staple gun in different languages, and this is all steel construction, so this is made of steel. It has three types of pins. You can use three types of pins in it, and it has adjustable driving force. It has this narrow crown, then U shape, and braid tail staples. So, and here they have this packet of they have free 200 pieces, narrow crown, U shape, and braid tail, 200 each pieces included. It says do not use on live wires, and the handle grip do not provide protection against electrical shock. Always wear goggles, gloves, and other appropriate safety items for protection. So I will open it and I'll show you how it looks. Here I have cut it open. This is the gun. I think this is where the staples come from. It says 3-way, and again, yeah, 3 shapes of staples. This is a handle. I think this is where we press, and this is, I think, speed adjustment, so you can make it loose or tight, I think. And this is these are 600 pieces of tools, staple tools. And when I open it, I can see these three different shapes of staple pins. So again, U shape, and braid tail, and narrow crown. Okay, so when we have the staple gun, the first thing we do is to load it. To load it, we have to first remove this track. It comes out pretty easily, and yeah, this is where we load the pins. So I will take, for example, this square pins, these ones, and I think I will have to break it into half because this is a small track, and then I put the pins in the track here, and we need to make sure that we put in a way that it actually goes into the track from both sides. Okay, no, I was saying I was wrong. You don't have to put these staples in here. Rather, I looked at there was no instruction manual with this gun, so I was confused. But now I saw in different videos, and I asked somebody, and yeah, I got to know that we have to put the staple pins right here. So you can see they are gone inside, and then we put this track back inside, and yeah, so it was so it goes like this. Ta-da! Yeah, so it went all the way in, and then I've locked it back here like this. Now the gun is loaded. Now I'll show you how to staple it. So take a piece of wood. I have taken seat back that I'm gonna cycle. So this is how you press it firmly, and then oops, no, to press it firmly, and yes. So see, this is done, and this went in really well. Now, this is how we can use it. And then there are different types of pins for different purposes. This is a longer one, U shape, and we can hang different things with its loop. This is the one I have put inside, and this is again U shape, and yeah, these are the I think one of them works like a T. Yeah, it says See, this is 200 pieces, 200 and 200. I think I've got 400 pieces of this type and 200 of this type. This I think I haven't got, but maybe we never know, one of these works like this, I don't know. But excuse me, but it's a good thing to buy. It was really cheap. I got it in a deal from Daraz.pk. I'll post the link of the shop. This is a good thing if you want to do upholstery work or any other thing that you think you can use this staple with. I have used these pins before with this chair I'm working on. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Okay, so just to add an update, I was wrong. These are the T-shaped ones, I think. Yeah, see, you can see there's a really small T shape on the top of it. These are the ones shown in the picture. So we have got the complete package. I was wrong. So 200 narrow crown, 200 U shape, and these T shaped are braid nails. Thank you. Bye.